I am baking this very beautiful seasoned chicken, and I'll turn it up. I can't find the tool we use to turn them, so I've decided to go pro. Going pro. You got it. Okay, look at that. Ooh, gorgeous pieces of chicken. You know what I used? I used paprika and just a few things. Paprika, salt, there is oil, and a little bit of jack spice, I think. It was jack spice. Jack seasoning, yeah? So I am turning them so that the liquid can saturate and the softness stays with the chicken. You can tell it is juicy and it's not been covered. It is for 2 uses. You can eat it right away or you can cook soup with it. That's why I didn't cover it, so that you can be able to eat it if you want, which is the plan. There is a plan for this food, telling you. So what I'm gonna do, I'll put it back and then we can turn the heat back on. I'll try use broil. I'll broil because I want it to heat up on top and then ready to eat. All right. Time check. Okay, so far so good. It's not burnt. It's just the right color. However, I want to put it closer because I am broiling, yo. I am broiling. Equals flavor. Broiling equals flavor. Bye-bye. Alright, this is how it turned out. I have to try it, you know. Don't cook food and not try it. I want to try this. It's like I said, I'm going pro with the chopstick. And that's the hassle of chopsticks. We're gonna try it. This will probably make a soup. Yep, bon appetit. Yo, I think 2 is a charm. I'm looking for the second one. Something smaller, maybe like this. 2 is a charm. Yep. I'll eat those and the rest wait in here. They are for soup. Or a soup. Maybe a cabbage chicken soup. Sounds fabulous. Maybe tomorrow. Moment of truth. Yes. It's kind of roasted but soft and moist. That's what I was going for. Master Chef, here I come. The salt is enough. It's not too salty. You don't even feel the whole seasonings. You feel a taint of magnific taste. Fabulous. No, yeah, roast chicken and dry it up. Don't do that. Even local chicken can be grilled. This time I did it in the oven. Bon appetit. Alrighty, I decided to put it in here for another time. It will make a good soup because it is kind of seasoned. So take away Somebody teach me how to use these. I can't find the thing that picks stuff. What is the thing called as well? Sorry. You look at that. Fabulous. You let it drain the sauce onto this plate, and you get beautiful skin, beautiful texture. Yep. Should I do a cooking class? I seem to be killing the cooking, or the cooking is killing me. Look at that. Not tough, just right. How you should do it. Nobody wants to eat tough chicken, even the local ones. These are local ones. Look at that, ready to be boiled to perfection. Excuse my oil. It is a graphic effect. Alrighty, so this is ready for next time. I just serve it. Voila, I put it in the fridge.